Did y'all feel some type of way about the title? Or did it draw you in and make you want to pick up the book and read it? Do y'all remember the For Dummies series? Like you would walk into a bookstore and you see Microsoft Word for Dummies, PowerPoint for Dummies. So as soon as you walked into a Borders or a Barnes and Nobles, those things would be sitting right in the front and center. Did y'all feel some type of way about the the title? Like, why are you saying For Dummies? Who's the dummy here? Or did it draw you in? Was it something that piqued your curiosity and made you want to go pick up the book and see what it was about? Now, the For Dummies series, of course, is just like a, a self-help, not a self-help, but more of a introductory book for beginners, like to help you start learning Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or something like that along those lines. And they have so many topics. Even today, I think they're still making books. But I wanted to experiment with my title today. So that's why this one is called YouTube for Dummies. Now, as new beginners here, we want to test the waters. We want to experiment. So this is an experiment. I know you're not dummies. We are not dummies, obviously, but it's just something that draws you in, right? So what I want to talk about today is how to start a YouTube channel. This is for absolute beginners like myself. I was a beginner. I think this is day 11 on this specific channel. So I'm learning. I want to share with you as I learn as well. So today we're going to talk about how to start your channel. Now let's get started on how to start on YouTube. Again, this is for absolute beginners or those that are new. But if you are watching this and you have some experience, you might be new just like me. I'm 11 days in, so I am a newbie. But if you are new as well and you have some additional tips that you want to add for this specific series, feel free to add them in the comments. Remember, I'm looking for all types of engagement. So I appreciate all of the comments, all of the tips, all of the advice. And this will help us as we are on our journey together, right? Now let's get into the first step. So this is the one I'm going to focus on today. Again, I'm telling you, I'm going to create a series. So another tip is for content creation, you might want to come up with a series. You might want to come up with a theme, and that could be something that people can expect from you and bring them back to your channel. Hint, hint, that's a tip. Okay. Now, setting up your YouTube account. The first step is going into Google and creating an account. You're going to create your Google account if you don't have one already. A lot of people already have a Gmail account, but you can use your old Gmail account or you can create a whole brand new one separate from that and just have it specific for your YouTube channel. You're going to take that information, you're going to log into YouTube. YouTube is going to bring you to the home page, right? Now, when you're on the home page, there's going to be a circle on the right-hand upper corner. Click on that circle. Normally it's an initial, probably something based on the email that you provided or the name or username that was created. So click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to be on, I'm going to go back to it. Once you click on it, underneath your name, you're going to see something that says view your channel. Click on that. View your channel. From there, you're going to see a bigger bubble or a bigger circle with that same initial. Next to it, it will say customize channel. So that's what we want to do. If you want to start your first or you want to start your YouTube channel, you're going to customize it. And once you're in here, it's going to give you the option to upload your banner, upload your profile, add a description, change your handle, change your channel name to whatever you like. So come up with something catchy, something that's possibly engaging in the description, or you can keep it simple. If simple is what you want to do it, okay? So for the banner, what I did was I went to Canva, both for my banner and my profile picture. And once you're in Canva, there's a search. You can go in there, type it in, YouTube banner, YouTube profile. Type in whatever it is that you want to do first. It'll come up with so many templates. But you also have the option of creating your own design. So for Bold Beginnings, what I did was went to the search part of it, hit gradient templates, and I chose one that was bright orange, and I think it just went to like a deeper orange. That was the beginning of my template. I took a picture, I uploaded my picture onto Canva, and then you can also remove your background. I think that's a pro feature. Because I use Canva so much, I just paid for it. But you can remove your background and put your picture on there. I'm sure there's other ways that you can do it for free. But you can take your picture. I think you can even do it on your iPhone, where you can isolate your picture just by holding a certain part of it, and it'll capture it, and you can save that as a whole new picture, add it to Canva. That's free. Free, free, free. I'm all about the free. So that's one thing you can do there. And then for your profile picture, you can create that, you can take that same banner picture that you created and then just bring it into, I think there's something on Canva that says you can redesign the size, take it and then just make it a profile picture. Easy peasy, done. The next step is your name. So you can select your channel name. Do you hear the kids? Here we go again. I know in the last video somebody said that they didn't hear them, but I can hear them. But I'm going to keep going. Hopefully you didn't hear all that stomping. It's the morning, so they're just waking up here. Also, you can choose your name and handle. For the name, you can either just use your name if you're comfortable with that, or you can create a name. You can make that change. Now for the name and the handle, you can change that twice every 14 days. So if you put it up there and you say, you know what, I don't like this, I'm gonna change it. You have that option. So it's not something that's permanent, but it can get you started. Now for the description, you wanna talk about something that you're gonna be discussing, something that you're, a broad description basically of what you are gonna be discussing, things that, you know, are topics that your channel will be covering. That way we know who you are or what you're gonna be talking about. Something that draws you in, right? And then some of the other information on here is contact info. So you can add your email address if you want, if it's like a business that you're creating, or you just want people to contact you if they have any questions outside of your YouTube channel, to get in contact with you. That's something that you can also add. And there's just so many other options here. So then once you are completed, hit publish and you are good to go. You have created your channel. So that's the first step. Again, like I said, I'm going to make this a series. So right now we are only discussing setting up your account, your YouTube account. And then from there, we're going to keep going forward for our YouTube for Dummies series on my next couple of videos. They might be sporadic, but I am going to continue on with the series. I'm not sure how I'm going to set it up yet, but this is the first of many YouTube for Dummies. Again, you're not a dummy. It's just a title. And yeah, again, I'm experimenting. You got to experiment here on YouTube. Oh, and one more thing before I let you go. I want to tell you where I got the idea for this video. Last night, I was watching a young lady and she had said, like, it was about tips for YouTube. And she had said one of the things that she uses to help her come up with additional ideas is YouTube itself. And that intrigued me. I was like, okay, so what does YouTube have to offer? So she said that she would go to her channel analytics. So you would go to your page, go to the dashboard side where you see like dashboard content. And then there's a tab that says analytics. Go to your channel analytics. And then you will find a tab on there that says inspiration. Go click on that. So once you click on that, you're going to see multiple ideas come up for you. And those ideas are based on trending topics. It's based on similar performing videos that you've done in the past or similar performing videos that are out there now that are trending, based on current searches, so on and so forth. So that is also a tip to help you with ideas and how to get started here on YouTube, where to start. And I believe it's also according to possibly your niche, if you have a niche, or just maybe those videos that you've already made. So that was such a good tip for me. And then I went to sleep, right? woke up this morning and, after my thank yous and things that I do in the morning, gratitude and all those good things, I woke up and it said in my mind, YouTube for Dummies. And so here we are. So I'm creating this video today. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has watched, who subscribed. I'm no longer at 4 subscribers. I'm currently growing. And I looked at that and I was like, oh my gosh. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for everyone who subscribed. Thank you for my 4 subscribers who have been there from day one. And I just appreciate everybody giving their input, their comments. I just want to say thank you. I hope this video helps you on your creative journey, and I hope it inspires you to get started here on YouTube. Until next time, thank you again. I can't say it enough. And take care. See you on the next video.